Hi, I'm Lauren, and I'm a first-time CNC operator. Here's how I design my products.
You're watching CNC Factory's Onboard Design Library. Your CNC controller is touchscreen and has a Windows front end, so you can design and edit your products right at the production floor. You can download and use virtually any CAM or CAD software you want, as well as check your email or surf the internet. After saving your design, simply import your file into the CNC Factory program. To run it, press Start, and you're done. No need to transfer or download files from another computer. No time waste, no mistakes.
Now that's ridiculously easy.
For more information, visit cncfactory.com.